Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're diving into the world of easy and delicious recipes for a balanced diet. We believe that eating healthy should never be boring or tasteless. So, get ready to tantalize your taste buds while nourishing your body with these flavorful dishes. Let's jump right in. Recipe number 1. Zesty Quinoa Salad. Our first recipe is a zesty quinoa salad. It's packed with fiber, protein, and essential vitamins, making it a perfect choice for a well-rounded meal. Start by combining cooked quinoa, colorful bell peppers, cherry tomatoes, cucumber, and fresh herbs in a bowl. Then, drizzle it with a zesty lemon dressing for a burst of flavor. This light and refreshing salad will leave you feeling satisfied and energized. Recipe number 2. Baked salmon with herb crust. Next up, we have a mouth-watering baked salmon with an herb crust. This dish not only satisfies your taste buds but also supports heart health and provides essential nutrients. To prepare it, coat a fresh salmon fillet with a mixture of breadcrumbs, chopped herbs, and a squeeze of lemon juice. Bake it until golden and flaky. The result is a succulent piece of fish with a delightful herb-infused crust. Recipe number 3. Colorful Veggie Stir-Fry. Now, let's move on to a quick and nutritious meal option, a colorful veggie stir-fry. Sauté a medley of vibrant vegetables like broccoli, bell peppers, carrots, and snap peas in a light sesame oil and soy sauce blend. For added protein, you can include tofu or lean chicken. This dish provides an array of vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, all while giving you a delightful crunch with every bite. Recipe number 4. Quinoa stuffed bell peppers. If you're looking for an impressive dish, our quinoa stuffed bell peppers are sure to please. Start by cooking quinoa and mixing it with your favorite vegetables, herbs, and spices. Stuff the flavorful mixture into hollowed-out bell peppers, sprinkle some cheese on top, and bake until tender. These colorful and nutritious stuffed peppers make for a satisfying and well-rounded meal. Recipe number 5. Berry Smoothie Bowl. Finally, for a delightful breakfast option, we have a refreshing berry smoothie bowl. Blend together a variety of berries, a banana, Greek yogurt, and a splash of milk. Pour the creamy mixture into a bowl and top it with granola, sliced fruits, and a drizzle of honey. This vibrant and antioxidant-rich bowl not only looks stunning but also provides a burst of energy to kickstart your day on a healthy note. And there you have it, 5 easy and delicious recipes for a balanced diet. Remember, eating healthy doesn't have to be dull or restrictive. With these flavorful dishes, you can nourish your body while enjoying every bite. Thank you for joining us today and exploring these mouth-watering recipes. We hope they inspire you to get creative in the kitchen and embrace a balanced diet. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel for more nutritious recipes, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Stay healthy, stay happy, and we'll see you in the next video.